Can I really turn this pile of scrap wood into a functional desk organizer? Upcycling is all about taking old or discarded materials and turning them into something new and useful. We've all got stuff lying around that's just collecting dust, but what if I told you that with a little creativity, you can turn that junk into something that'll make your life easier and your desk look awesome? Cluttered desks can be super frustrating. You've got papers scattered everywhere, your favorite pen is nowhere to be found, and don't even get me started on the aesthetic. A messy desk can make your whole workspace feel dull and uninspiring. I've been there too. We've all struggled with finding a spot to put our phone, or a place to stash our notes. It's the little things that can really make or break your productivity. Your desk should be a place where you can focus and get stuff done, not where you get bogged down by disorganization. Imagine having a spot for everything and everything in its spot. That sounds like a dream, right? A well-organized desk can be a game changer. And it's not just about slapping some stuff together, it's about creating a system that works for you. The good news is that you don't need to be some kind of DIY expert to make this happen. With just a few simple tools and some basic know-how, you can turn that pile of scrap wood into something amazing. You might be surprised at how easy it is to make a big impact. Let's get our hands dirty and see how it's done. First, I gathered my scrap wood and started brainstorming ideas. I thought about what I needed on my desk and what would make my life easier. I decided on a simple desk organizer. I started by cutting the wood into the right shapes and sizes. It's amazing how a simple cut can transform a piece of wood from junk to treasure. Then, I sanded it down to smooth out any rough edges. Next, I assembled the pieces and attached them together. It's like solving a puzzle, figuring out how all the pieces fit together. I added a few finishing touches to make it look nice. As I worked on this project, I couldn't help but think about all the other ways I could use scrap wood to improve my desk. The possibilities are endless. And here it is, my finished desk organizer. It's not perfect, but it's functional and it looks great. I can keep my phone, notes, and pens right where I need them. This little DIY project has been a total game changer for my desk. I can keep everything organized and within reach. The best part is that you can customize it to fit your needs and style. It's amazing how something so simple can make such a big difference. If you're feeling inspired, I encourage you to give this project a try. Share your own DIY desk hacks in the comments below. I'd love to see what you've created. And if you want more creative upcycling ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.